So the other day, actually it's been a couple weeks now, but my Saab 9.3 um, 2.0 capital T. It's 2007. It was well, there was a big pile of coolant underneath it. So we investigated, and it looks as though this part, which this is the better quality replacement aluminum part, um, well, it looks as though this is cracked, my plastic one currently. So this is a genuine Saab part from Sweden. And here's the part information if you're hunting around for it. But I'm going to go ahead and do my best and try and get this fixed while my husband's at work. So I got a T30 here to take the case off, and I've got my girly clamps here, and that's just how I'm going to take the hoses off. So I guess let's do the thing. Try and give you the best view I can. Okay. Okay. So, here's the broken piece, as you can see. Right here. Some of it's broken off in there, too. So I gotta make sure that none of that falls down in there. It's like melted on there, of course. Come on. So I've got some lovely plastic piece stuck in here. So I'm gonna need to probably dig it out with a flathead or something and try carefully not to break any more of it and let it fall down in there. But as you can see, mine's completely dry. All the coolant already drained out of it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I wasn't planning on replacing both of the tubes. I was just gonna use what I had, but these are like glued on or something underneath that attachment. So yeah, I'm gonna do more work than I wanted to, but that's okay. Yeah, over my dead body am I replacing those hoses. They're like melted on there. I'll just save that for when the hoses go good. So now I just gotta figure out how to get these off of here. Oh boy. Okay, I got it. It wasn't glued. I'm just a weak woman. Okay. So here we go. Okay, I just decided to use one of the clips that came with it, and it's way too big, but that's what's happening because seriously, my hands are super weak. I can't get the old clip back on. So it's gonna be this one. Deal with it. All right. Okay. I just hope these other clips don't give me as much grief. Okay. It's on there. Wish me luck with these clips. Okay. Almost done. Well, look at her go. Okay. So, we should be all nice and tight and secure. And now, I need to add coolant back into it. So, that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, I just called and asked my mechanic. Said, I'm worried about air in the line. He said, start it with the cap off and let it run for about 10 minutes for it to heat up, and then turn on the heater, and that's how you'll know if there's air in the lines or not. I'm very nervous to start it because the last time I had a coolant issue with my Saab 9.5, it threw a rod. So, and I thought I did everything right there, and I replaced the coolant bypass valve, and yeah, the engine did a bunny hop and it pow. So please God, don't let that be the case here. I'm about to start it. Let's see what happens. Running, that's a good sign. 10 minutes. Well, it's slowly getting up to temp. Still running. My engine didn't make any popping noises, so that's good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat on. All right, so this would be temp. We're not quite there yet. Yeah, baby, almost 250,000 miles on this thing. So anyway, I guess we can go ahead and see. It's probably close enough. So let's see. I put it on low heat and cranked it all the way to 80. Turned my seat warmers off. All right. Well, I'm feeling warm air. Oh yeah. Yay. Okay, so I guess that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cap back on now. And then I just need to put the engine cover back on. Okay, that's how you replace radiator hose. Actually the T. I didn't want to replace the hoses. But that's how it's done. And hopefully it doesn't blow up. Thanks.